Hello everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to public-private moments on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the 3 icon at the bottom right of your screen. Go ahead and select My Moments. Tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top of your moments. Tap on Show To. Now go ahead and select the public option. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.